Hey, it's October 1st. We're gonna treat some hives with oxalic acid vapor. We bought a vaporizer online from Amazon. I clipped on SO cord extension so I can have some room to do this. We're gonna drill a simple hole in the, not in the brood box, but the frame right here to administer the oxalic acid vapor right in the back. So we should have enough room just to poke it right in and let it sit and give these girls some oxalic acid vapor. So it should be pretty interesting. I'm gonna mask up. Well, that's that. About 3 grams of oxalic acid vapor per hive. The tool kept clogging up. The nozzle came with a insulating sleeve, but it was really thin. I don't really think it would have done much. It would have probably still clogged. So cleaning it after every use was really a must, but we got a good dose of oxalic acid vapor in them hives. Yeah, hopefully they drop out all them mites. So until next time.
All I need to do is get them in a spot and put